Hey guys, Joseph Stream here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this issue here. As you can see, I just opened my Fusion 360 and I just found myself with this issue here, where the app is automatically switched to offline mode, and then it says, working offline, outage detected. If I try to kind of switch to offline and then go to online, it will, it's showing no connection. So there are a lot of issues. You can search on Google. You can just Google this issue, and but on MacBook it's pretty simple. It's pretty simple to fix this issue. So what we're going to do today is to fix this issue, and one of the things you will notice is the your files. You won't be able to work on your files. As you can see, it's all these. I can't really click on them. I'm not able to open. So let's see how we can fix it. I'm going to quit Fusion 360. Yeah, and what I'm going to do now is to open Autodesk. This is on Mac, Autodesk, and I'm going to open this one, Autodesk Fusion Service Utility, and this window will pop up, and we have few options here. So we have three options. You have the repair Fusion, reset Fusion, and uninstall Fusion. So what we're going to do is to click on reset Fusion, and then we have all these options here. You can keep your offline user data, and you can keep your user credentials. So we are going to click on two of it, and then click on yes, proceed. Yes, so it automatically reset, and what we're going to do now is to launch Fusion. Just click here, launch Fusion, and it will open the app for us. It's loading just as usual. And so now what you have to do is to sign in, right? Because you just reset the app. I'm going to sign in just as usual. So you check your browser. So my Google Chrome is loading. Anyway, let's proceed. I have my email, and it's verifying. Then I have my password. I'll just stay signed in, and I will click on go to product. Then I'm going to open the Fusion 360 app, and yeah, so it's slow. It's strange that the background became black instead of white. Anyway, so let's see if the issue was fixed. And yeah, it seems. Let's see our files here. All right, so the Fusion 60. Yeah, you can see you're all set with the latest update, and we are now online. Right, we are now online, and as you can see, if I click on my projects, this is the projects I've been working on, the robot, and yeah, as you can see, they're now active, right? They're now active, and I can click on any of these files. If I click on this one, for example, it will open. Yeah, so you can see this is a PCB I've been working on. Yeah, so here you have your Fusion 360 working normally, and it's now you're not ready to keep working on your project. So guys, this is how to fix that issue. And if you like the video, kindly subscribe to the channel, give a like, share with your friends, and you can comment down below the reason why this issue happens a lot, because I've faced this issue. I think this is the second time I've faced this issue, so I don't know why, and I'm here to take a time to Google and see the possible causes of these issues. So guys, this is it for today, and see you in the next video.